Everyone thinks the AI career risk is not learning to code. That's not it. The real danger is spending months getting fluent in tools that are already irrelevant by the time you're comfortable. And that's a strange kind of trap, isn't it? You're working hard, you're keeping up, you feel like you're moving, but if you're chasing the wrong thing, motion isn't progress, it's just motion. The people who are actually thriving right now aren't the ones hoarding the most tools. They're the ones who figured out how AI changes their specific profession. A finance professional doesn't need to think like an engineer. A healthcare worker doesn't need to think like a developer. What they need is to understand how AI reshapes the decisions, the workflows, and the risks inside their own world. That's a different question entirely, and most of the available training still hasn't caught up to it. So here's what the human workforce built. Thousands of dollars worth of consulting-grade knowledge, covering AI agents, governance frameworks, prompt engineering, cybersecurity, operational resilience, financial reporting, business strategy, available completely free. No subscription, no hidden tier, just practical, structured guides that are designed to work directly inside Claude Code or Codex. You download the PDF, you load it in, you follow the steps, and you start building something real. Not a tutorial, an actual working output. That last part matters more than it sounds. Most learning material teaches you concepts and then leaves you stranded at the implementation stage. That gap between understanding and doing is where most people quietly give up. These guides are built to close that gap. The workflow is direct. Download, open, follow the installation guide, and build. Dashboards, automation, AI agents, business systems, real things that work in real environments. And if something seems unclear, the guide is still sitting there, in context, inside the tool you're already using. Head to thehumanworkforce.com/free-learning, and the whole library is there, growing. People are pulling these down on laptops, tablets, phones. The results coming back include certificates, working dashboards, deployed agents, functional business systems. That's not coincidence. It's what happens when the knowledge is built around what you actually need to produce, not what sounds impressive in a course description. Don't learn more AI. Learn the AI skills that matter for where you already stand.